back dangles on earrings give you more design options. When we talk about back dangles, there are lots of different kinds. One example is this large flower clutch with a loop at the bottom. And these earrings here are made using that clutch. So I just attached a tassel to the loop, and you can see how it would look kind of in the ear and with the clutch on the back. So flower on the front, clutch on the back. Then you have your tassel hanging down. This is another example of an earring made with the back dangle. This one has a clutch with a swoop, and the swoop kind of nestles the ear, and then this design hangs down from the back of the earlobe, which looks pretty cool. And it gives you some different options, and you could just use a post in the front there. This is a CZ to give you kind of that sparkly effect to go with the disco ball bead. So those are some options for using back dangles in your earrings.